This is Kyra with ATV.com, and we're here with Yamaha in Utah's epic eastern backdrop to check out their newest Wolverine lineup, the RMAX4 1000. And I'll admit I'm looking forward to seeing how this stacks up against their classic 4-seater, now dubbed the RMAX Compact. It's got a longer wheelbase, it's got more ground clearance, new suspension, which means a better, smoother ride, more options to be aggressive, and when it comes to the comfort, you have a lot more space in the interior and more storage opportunities. So we're excited to show you all the features, and let's get into it. So far, I mean, I'm easy to please, so I hate to say that, but I have to preface because really it's been feeling smooth. It's been handling every sort of terrain that we've gone through, which is a variety of wide, fast washes, frozen sand, and a lot of rails. We've gone through ascents and descents with rock shelves and a lot of G-outs, as well as some really flowy but tight 2-track, and to me it's handled every single challenge very well, very responsive. I have the Adventure Pro model, so I'm going through all the ranges of modes from, you know, comfort and medium and firm, with trail and sport and crawl, all the different options, and every single one kind of handles it in a different way, and I'm having fun kind of seeing what my range as a driver is reacting to the way the car is handling it. And I definitely know that amongst the group we all agree that the 2025 suspension on the RMAX is really forgiving. It has a really nice range, and truly it makes the ride a lot more comfortable. Not to say that I wasn't comfortable in the previous RMAX models, but this one, it's almost an afterthought. You really don't have to put too much attention to changing even the modes, because most of them can handle everything. The braking, it took a little while to warm up. Of course, it's really cold out here in the morning, so once I did, it's definitely much more responsive. In sport mode, I can really give the gas when I'm trying to maneuver and control the vehicle. I like to use the double pedal system, where I'm giving a lot of input on the gas while I give input on the brakes, and it responds well that way. My only gripe is that there's a safety feature that if you're on the braking for too long while you're gassing, the vehicle thinks that it's an accident that you're on the gas, and it cuts the throttle. Other than that, so far, great ride, and I can't wait to do the next 2 hours. If you like this sort of content, please feel free to like the video, subscribe, and check out ATV.com.